Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this video tutorial, I'll cover how to key out a green screen background on video footage in Adobe Premiere. Here you'll see I've got a video of a T-Rex with a green screen background. I'd like to key out the green background to reveal the city street video behind it in the hopes I might impress Steven Spielberg. Let's see how cringy and bad we can make this. To kick things off, I'll drag the green screened T-Rex clip to the second track on my timeline. Then I'll drag the street video to the track below the T-Rex. Alright, now head over to the effects panel and type Ultra key into the search box. Next, drag your Ultra key effect onto your green screen video on the timeline. Now make sure the green screen video is selected on the timeline and go up to your effect controls. Under the Ultra key effect, you'll see these key color settings. Click the color picker dropper next to it and click the green screen in your preview window to remove it. Sweet, this did a really nice job right away, and it most likely will for most basic green screen tasks. This looks good, but my T-Rex is side shuffling down the street, so I'm going to nudge him to the right a little and clean up his walk. Right, that walk looks much better. As I've just shown, when you key out a green screen, provided your subject is not touching the edges of its own frame, such as in my case, the subject can be moved freely around the scene as if it's floating in space. If you were to green screen a subject touching the edge of the frame, however, you'll be restricted with your movements due to the resulting hard edge as shown. Going back to our green screen, if it didn't completely remove the green screen, a quick fix might be to change the Ultra key setting to aggressive as shown. This does little in my video, but it can help in many cases. If you need further improvement, however, you can play around with these advanced settings. But we'll cover these in more detail in another video. For now, let's add a little audio to top off our Jurassic Park masterpiece. Well, the video post-production ain't too bad. The audio, on the other hand, might need a little work though. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.